Withdrawing money from your Bank of America account to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transfer efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, look for the Transfers option in the main menu. Click on it to access the transfer options available to you. Step 3. Select Transfer Type. Choose the type of transfer you want to make. You can select transfer to another bank account or external transfer depending on your needs. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your transfer details one last time. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is processed. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Bank of America account to another bank account. Always ensure your information is accurate to avoid any delays in processing.